Cholera is a waterborne disease. Wedge-shaped bone consisting of 5 fused vertebrae is called sacrum. Hydrophobia is seen in rabies. Hetrazine is a preventive treatment for filaria. 1 ml of seminal fluid contains 100 million sperms. BCG is a live attenuated vaccine. Which vitamin is not soluble in fat? Vitamin B. Tubectomy is a permanent birth control measure for females. The muscle encircling the anus is external anal sphincter muscle. Lockjaw is seen in tetanus. IUD used for temporary family planning method. Copper T. Most of the acute respiratory infections in children are produced by bacteria. Beauty bone of the body, clavicle. Endometrium after conception is known as deciduea. Largest bone in our body, femur. Drug useful for treating malaria is chloroquine. The reagent used for testing urine sugar is Benedict reagent. The first preferred food to wean the baby is rice. Severe vomiting in pregnancy is hyperemesis gravidarum. DOT is a treatment devised for tuberculosis. Eligible couple register is maintained at PHC mainly for promoting family welfare measures. The best age for giving measles vaccine is 9 months. Human placenta develops at 3rd month of pregnancy. Plasmodium is the causative agent for malaria. Decreased dietary intake of calcium produces osteoporosis.